Good day. Welcome back to another math tutorial video. Tuturuan ko kayo ngayon kung papaano mas mabilis na masosolve ang mga math problems using number 1, right and careful analysis of the problem, and number 2, math techniques or tricks that will simplify your solution. So, without further ado, let's start. Problem number 1. Get the sum of all integers from 13 to 20. So, all in all, we have a total of 8 terms. So, at first, by instinct, ang gagawin mo dito is to line up all the numbers and then add them up. Pero, hindi ba very time consuming siya? Especially if mas marami na ang terms. So, ang ideal thing to do here is to apply the formula for the sum of all the terms in an arithmetic series, which is S of n is equal to n over 2 times a plus l, wherein S of n is equal to the sum of 8 terms, in this problem 8 terms lang, n is equal to the total number of terms, so in this problem we have an total of 8 number of terms. A is your first term, which is equal to 13, and then L is your last term. This problem it is equal to 20. So now let's start solving. S of 8 is equal to 8 over 2 times the first term 13 plus 20. So let's do 8 over 2, that's just equal to 4. And then add 13 plus 20, just equal to 33. 33 times 4 is just equal to 132. So our answer here is equal, or it's just C, 132. So now let's proceed to our second problem. Problem number 2. Evaluate this problem. 13 minus, open parenthesis, 24 minus 11, close parenthesis, plus 18 times 11 minus 11. So to do this, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. So let's do 24 minus 11 first. So that is 13 minus 24 minus 11 is just equal to 13. And then let's multiply 18 by 11. And just a reminder, be careful kasi minsan we are tempted to do this first. 11 minus 11, which is wrong. Kasi di ba dapat sa PEMDAS rule, multiplication first before ang subtraction. So let's do 18 times 11. So kung nakapanood kayo ng mga previous videos ko, meron akong matrix para dito. Any two number multiplied by 11, just add both the digits and then put the sum in the middle. So in this case, 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, so you put that in the middle. 18 times 11 is just equal to 198. And then subtract 11. So cancel this out. 13 minus 13 is just equal to 0. And then 198 minus 11 is just equal to 187. So our answer here is A, 187. Now let's proceed to our third problem. Problem number 3. Evaluate this problem. 1/2 times 118 minus 64 plus 118 minus 64 minus 1/2 times 118 minus 64. So, this problem is a perfect example wherein gagamitan nyo muna ng careful analysis before proceeding sa actual solution. As you can see, these two statements here are equal. This one and this one. Equal lang sila. But, this second one has a minus sign. Ang ibig sabihin, pwede na natin silang i-cancel out kasi kapag minus mo yung isa, magiging 0 lang naman sila. So, ang matitira na lang natin dito is ang 118 minus 64. So, pwede na natin siyang i-cancel out. Cancel. Just equal to 118 minus 64. 8 minus 4 is 4. 11 minus 6 is 5. So, our answer here is 54. Letter B, 54. So, now let's proceed to our last problem. Last but not the least, problem number 4. What is 25% of 2036? So, again, by using the right analysis, para mas mapabilis ang solution natin, instead of multiplying 2036 by 0.25, pwede din nating i-divide ang 2036 by 4. So, paano nangyaring pwede yun? So, di ba ang 25% equal lang siya sa 25 over 100, which is, pag ni-lowest term mo siya, equal lang siya sa 1/4. So, 1/4, pag minultiply mo siya sa 2036, is just the same kung sasabihin mo na 2036 divided by 4. Okay? So now, let's start dividing 2036 divided by 4. And then, may pabonus din ako matrix para sa inyo, para sa problem na to. Diba ang 2036, pwede natin siyang sabihin, iwalay natin siya, 2000 plus 36. So, bakit ko ginawa to? This is because sa mga numbers na to, ay mas madali siyang i-divide by 4. So, 2000 divided by 4 and 36 divided by 4. So, magiging result niyan, 2000 by 4 is equal to 500. Then 36 divided by 4 is just equal to 9. So, ang final answer natin is equal to 509. So, our answer here is letter D, 509. So, that's it for this video. Everything can be simplified, especially ang mathematics. Basta tandaan nyo lang, analyze carefully and use math techniques if possible para mas madali at mabilis ang magiging solution. If you like this video, please support me by giving this video a thumbs up and also click the share button para mas marami ang maabot ng video na to. You could also visit my FB page and YouTube channel kung gusto nyong manood ng mas maraming videos na katulad nito. Just click the search box and type in ManxMathTrix. And siya nga pala guys, constant reminder, it's already October. In a few months, 2021 na. And anytime, magre-resume na ang CSE exam. So if I were you, as early as today, start reviewing and studying for the upcoming exam. This is your online tutor, ManxMathTrix, signing off.